Hello from Top Banana Antiques and Tebury. So, as you can see, CR with a D and number 2 actually stands for Charles II, and there is little devil himself with the king, with the crown, Freudian slip. The date, there's a date of his coronation, and this is a tin glaze mug in original condition. The keen-eyed amongst you may notice there's two little holes in the bottom. That is not the rare terrocota worm. It is actually caused by a company near Oxford, to do with Oxford University, who have radio tested or thermally tested the pottery to make sure that it is 1660. What is interesting is the mugs are the rarest things. They, by the very nature of them, they tend to get broken, and this one has still got its original handle and everything. A very rare lot. This was the first, so it's called the Restoration. King Charles II, obviously King Charles I was beheaded by Cromwell, or by Cromwell's cronies, and this was the first time they actually made a commemorative mug at all. And from all commemorative china, royal commemorative china stems from this period. There was nothing before this period, and they were basically tin glaze, because up until about 1793, when the first transfer printed items came out for George the Third, I think. And anyway, a fascinating thing. It's probably the rarest thing that we've ever had through our hands at Top Banana, and it is a sort of national treasure. It should, and hopefully by the time this video comes out, you will find that it has gone into a museum, or hopefully it's gone into one of our British museums. Very rare piece. I can only find 2 others in existence. And anyway, watch this space.